As the summit chairman, I have to sum up, you see, the proceedings, which I'll do in 2 minutes. Today, India, along with the rest of the world, faces the challenge posed as a result of being players in an increasingly competitive and volatile business market. The call for closer collaboration between the countries is unprecedented. It thus seems only natural that this year, the 6th Indo-US Economic Summit focused on synergizing partnerships for growth. The India-US relationship is one such example that has received much limelight over the last decade. India's rapidly expanding economy has been instrumental in attracting several American companies to invest here. As a result, the US has emerged as one of the leading foreign investors in the country. Additionally, the US is now also India's largest export destination, with the Indian economy estimated to grow to up to 90% of the US economy by 2050. One could foresee these two countries steering the world economy in the near future. With the need for synergized growth at its very epicenter, this summit discussed the economic intricacies of sectors that have been identified as having abundant opportunities for further collaboration and concentration. These include infrastructure, aerospace and aviation, energy security for India, export of services, education, knowledge-based manufacturing, and Bollywood to Hollywood. It is our strong belief that the collaboration between the countries can create opportunities that far exceed those achieved by functioning in isolation. We hope that this summit would help in a small way in creating an environment of synergized growth. I thank all the participants, the chairpersons, the panelists of all the sessions, the dignitaries who attended the sessions, including the honorable ministers and the chairman of the Competition Commission of India. I also thank all the friends from overseas, particularly from the United States, who have come in large numbers to make this summit a unique success. This would not have been possible without the help of the sponsors, whom I thank. The names are all indicated here. The hotel for extending its very efficient service, and the cuisine and the facilities. I also thank the President of the Chamber, Syed Badruddin, and Mr. R.K. Chopra, and the entire Secretariat based in Delhi, led by Mr. Atul Vyas and Neelu Sadana, and the entire team. With this, I thought I had the privilege of closing the summit, but I think